so today we're here in Otay Mountain. It's been a while since I've done any type of trailing or just even been driving the Land Cruiser. I need to do some maintenance stuff, but you know what? It was such a nice day that I said, hey, let's just go ahead and drive the Land Cruiser out for the day and bring you guys along. Today, I'm not sure if you noticed the difference in quality of the video and audio. Hopefully you guys can tell me. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3, so if you're interested in picking one of these up, let's check out this video. And also, this is a creator package, so the creator package comes with the DJI Mic 2, so the quality should be a lot better. I'm not listening to it, but it should also drown out the outer exterior sounds too. So this thing has tracking, face tracking. Oh man, it's a beautiful day out. Quick pit stop. Check out the views. Don't track me, track over here. I wonder if it tracks. There we go. So we're just about 40, maybe 40 miles east to downtown San Diego. We're actually, that is Chula Vista right there. Let's track me. Let's switch you over. So that's Otay Lake kept in there, and this is a super simple, easy truck trail. It actually gets a little technical, but aside from that, it's actually super nice out here.
Maybe not accidentally.
Check it out. Today we have. I'm good, thank you. The Land Cruiser, 3 Tacomas, and a 4Runner. And, you know, a couple of these first time out here, so it's pretty neat to see people for the first time, you know, coming out and experience this. Super nice. Just pulled up to the house. It was a long day. It actually got up to about 90, 91, 92 degrees. So it was a hot day. Just thought I'd bring you guys out and about. It's been a long time since I've been out and documented. Obviously, the Land Cruiser has a new look for the time being. No roof rack, no lights, no nothing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Quick tour of Otay Mountain. Super simple. If you haven't been, suggest you try it. If you're looking to get into overlanding, I would suggest this is a great trail for you to learn and practice your Land Cruiser or your overlanding rig. So catch you on the next one.